Good morning, this is Max with the National Weather Service in Norman. It is 4 a.m. on Sunday, February 26, 2023, and this severe weather update will give our latest thinking regarding severe weather potential from early this evening through early on Monday morning. We continue to expect strong to severe thunderstorms across much of our area from early this evening through early on Monday morning, and we are especially focusing our attention on the severe weather potential across western Oklahoma and western North Texas, which we'll get into here in a moment. We continue to expect widespread wind damage to be the primary hazards with these severe thunderstorms. However, we do expect a few tornadoes and large hail as well, especially early on in the event across western Oklahoma and western North Texas. In addition, we expect gusty west-southwest winds to develop immediately behind the line of thunderstorms and continue through much of the early morning hours on Monday. Again, we are really focusing our attention on the areas outlined in the red or the moderate risk, level 4 out of 5. This includes cities such as Enid, Clinton, Elk City, Altus, Lawton, and El Reno. Again, this is where we expect the highest concentration of severe weather potential to be later this evening and early Monday morning. However, much of our area is under an enhanced risk, a level 3 out of 5, including the Oklahoma City metro area, Stillwater, Ada, Wichita Falls, Ponca City, and Woodward. And even further south and east in the southeastern Oklahoma, Ardmore and Durant are likely to see some severe weather later this evening into early on Monday morning. At this time, we expect the highest potential for a few tornadoes to be found in the yellow or medium shaded areas across southwestern Oklahoma and western North Texas. However, we can't rule out a few brief tornadoes in the green, low, and even in the blue, the very low regions as well. Much of our area will have the potential for a brief tornado or two, but we really want to highlight that the greatest tornado potential, even the potential for perhaps a strong tornado EF2+, will really be focused on southwestern Oklahoma into far western North Texas. This graphic provides our latest thinking for timing of severe weather later this evening through early Monday morning, and these times really represent the most likely time frame to see severe weather later this evening. So for portions of western Oklahoma, basically along and west of the US 281 corridor, any time between 5 p.m. and 9 p.m. is your greatest chances. As we move eastward towards the I-35 corridor, Oklahoma City, Stillwater, Ardmore, those chances really shift between 9 p.m. and midnight. And then into far eastern and southeastern Oklahoma, we're really looking at potentially as late as midnight to 2 a.m. on Monday for severe weather potential across these areas. As mentioned previously, we expect a period of gusty west-southwest winds behind the line of thunderstorms as they exit our area to the east. Winds may gust as high as 50 to 60 miles per hour into the early morning hours on Monday across much of our area. Again, with straight line winds being the primary expected severe storm hazard later this evening, these are just a few tips when dealing with straight line winds. And really the key takeaway among all things is if you're home, make sure you're away from windows, as these winds can blow over any tall object or anything that can really blow around in the wind. So you want to make sure you take necessary precautions to avoid anywhere where these objects can strike your building. That's all for this update. Be sure to follow us at weather.gov/Norman or on Twitter and Facebook at NWS Norman, as new information will come in throughout the rest of the day. If you need to contact us directly, our phone number is listed here on this slide as well. Again, this was Max with the National Weather Service Norman. Have a great rest of your Sunday and remain weather aware.